To make a breakfast quesadilla, you will need 4 ingredients: your favorite blend of cheese, bacon or your desired lunch meat, 1 to 2 eggs, and tortillas. For tools, you'll need a stove. A non-stick pan will work best, but if you do not have one, you can use a regular pan and use butter or cooking oil in order to ensure your eggs and tortilla do not stick to the pan. Start by setting your stove to medium-low heat. Then, either crack your eggs directly into the pan, or crack them into a bowl and whisk them together. I prefer whisking them and breaking up the yolks so that way you can get a more even egg patty. Once that's done and your pan is heated, you're going to add it to your pan. Once your eggs have been cooked all the way through and either scrambled or made into a patty to fit into your quesadilla, remove it from the pan and place it aside on a plate. You're then going to take your tortillas or the lunch meat and bring them to the stove. If you are using bacon for your breakfast quesadilla, now is the time to cook it. Once it is fully cooked through, set it aside. Once that is done, take your tortilla and place it in the pan. Make sure that your stove is not too hot, as you do not want to burn the tortilla as it is cooking. Then to one half of the quesadilla, add a sprinkle of cheese. While that cheese is melting, take your egg patty and place it on top of the cheese. Then add another small sprinkle of cheese on top, and then add your bacon or your lunch meat. Then add 1 more sprinkle of cheese on top of the lunch meat or on the other side of the tortilla, enough to make sure that it will stay together. Once the cheese is melted, take a spatula and fold the other side of the quesadilla over itself. Press it down to make sure it stays together. Once you're done, you can flip the tortilla back and forth to make sure that both sides are evenly toasted and the cheese is melted. Once your quesadilla has been thoroughly cooked through, take it off the pan, turn off your stove, cut your quesadilla in half with a knife or using your spatula, and serve while warm.